Let me ask you a simple question. How much are you paying right now for hosting, page builders, email tools, security, and random subscriptions that just keep stacking up every month? What if I told you there's a way to host unlimited websites, build pages, funnels, and even monetize them for a one-time price? No monthly fees, no tech headaches. That's exactly what Spark 2.0 claims to do. But does it actually work, or is it just another overhyped launch? Let's break it down. Here's the quick verdict. Spark 2.0 is not magic. It will not make you rich overnight. But if you're a beginner or marketer who's tired of paying monthly for hosting and tools, this is one of the most cost-effective all-in-one setups I've seen on Warrior Plus. It's best for people who want simplicity, speed, and control without recurring costs. Now let me show you exactly what it is. Spark 2.0 is a cloud-based hosting and website creation platform. It lets you host unlimited websites and domains, build websites, landing pages, and funnels, install WordPress with one click, manage SSL, backups, emails, and security from one dashboard, all without paying monthly hosting fees. This is ideal for new affiliate marketers, side hustlers and bloggers, funnel builders, anyone tired of paying for hosting, builders, and add-ons separately. And the biggest objection it solves is this: I don't want to deal with tech or pay monthly just to keep my site online. Let me walk you through how Spark 2.0 works. Once you log in, you land inside the Spark dashboard. From here, you can add a domain or subdomain, launch a new website using the setup wizard, install WordPress in one click, create business email accounts, enable free SSL and security protection. There's a simple setup wizard that guides you step by step. You don't need coding, you don't need hosting experience. You can literally go from zero to a live website in minutes. Everything is centralized, which is what beginners usually struggle with when using multiple tools.
Imagine minutes from now having your own AI website creation suite that's fully powered by your own cloud hosting account with cPanel access and 99 premium AIs built in, including the very recently released Sora AI. Now, you've probably heard about lifetime hosting before, but trust me when I say it, you've never seen hosting like this one ever before. That's for two reasons. Number one is that we've been hosting websites for over 20,000 customers since 2020, and we're still in business, hosting hundreds of thousands of websites. We're here to stay, and your sites are safe with us. That's right, next generation hosting that's better than anything else on the market right now, but without any of the ridiculous monthly fees. Pay once, use forever. Hosting that takes 60 seconds to set up, protects you against hackers, and keeps you 100% compliant with any legislation, think GDPR or ADA. It would effectively enable you to make your last ever payment for a hosting service today and still get 100% uptime, blazingly fast load times, superior service, and the best possible support for internet marketers. And secondly, is something you've never seen before in the hosting space. Imagine if minutes from now you could have instant access to your own free accounts to 99 premium AIs, including the brand new video maker Sora AI, ChatGPT 4 Omni Plus, Google Gemini Ultra Advanced, DALL-E 3 HD, Whisper AI Text-to-Speech, Midjourney Mega, Leonardo AI Pro Plan, Microsoft Copilot Pro, Meta Llama 3.1, all integrated with our hosting. How good does that sound? Well, lucky for you, today is the day this all becomes reality. Spark is the next step in cloud hosting, a revolution like no other that enables you to enjoy the following: faster loading websites than ever before, 60-second quick setup using built-in wizard, 100% uptime with free SSL encryption built-in, unlimited sites, email accounts, and more, built-in ClickFunnels Killer, drag and drop funnel builder, next generation control panel, free one-click WordPress installer, 24/7 support from marketing gurus, DDoS and malware protection, legal compliance, GDPR, ADA, etc. And here's the kicker, you get all of this plus immediate direct access to over 99 premium paid AIs, including the recently released Sora AI. That means you can have these AIs to build entire affiliate websites on Spark Hosting, Write unlimited, unique content for those websites. Code any apps that you can host inside Spark. Create and host amazing HD videos with our Spark Video Player. Generate graphics and images. Turn any text into human-sounding speech. Create music that can top the Billboard charts. Publish New York Times best-selling books. Manage your social media accounts. Clone any voice and set up talking avatars. Get you #1 rankings via SEO and backlinks. Run live chatbots for support and sales. Even create entire Hollywood-style movies using Sora AI. Listen, Sora AI Premium alone is $200 a month, and you get it as a bonus on this hosting package. And the best part? It's 100% newbie-friendly and has been designed from the ground up by marketers for marketers. Plus, we're making it better every single day based on user feedback. And if you act fast, you'll get the ClickFunnels Killer drag and drop page and funnel builder free. Get this today and enjoy lifetime hosting for nothing. Yes, that's 0 future hosting payments. You're finally able to cancel one of those pesky monthly subscriptions that keep adding up and still get better service than before. It's a true win-win, but only available until the timer on the page hits 0, so hurry. Plus, we'll never ever read or access your files or sites, and no one else will be able to either. Spark has a rock-solid encryption system that ensures your sites remain yours and are protected against malware or hackers. So you can finally say goodbye to paying ridiculous monthly fees to expensive shared hosting in exchange for subpar services and questionable security and website protection policies. Plus, you'll never again be limited to the number of sites you can host or the bandwidth that you use. The bottom line is this: Spark saves you hundreds of dollars a year in cloud hosting fees while providing a better, faster, and more marketer-friendly service than any of our competitors. All inside one newbie-friendly interface even an 8-year-old can master. So take action now. Click the buy button below and claim your exclusive one-time fee access to a next-level software unlike any you've seen before. Welcome to the future of internet marketing and cloud hosting. Welcome to Spark.
Now let's talk about the optional upgrades. These are not mandatory, but they add more power. Upgrade 1 usually unlocks more storage, features, or performance enhancements. There's also an upgrade focused on automation and advanced tools. Another upgrade is designed for agencies or marketers who want to build and manage sites for clients. And there's typically a done-for-you or reseller-style upgrade for people who want faster results or commercial use. My advice? Start with the front end. Only upgrade if you actually need the extra features. If you grab Spark 2.0 through the link below, you also get my exclusive bonus stack designed to help you actually use Spark to make money. Here are some of the bonuses you'll receive. Bonus 1, Website Speed Booster plugin. Improve load times and reduce bounce rate. Bonus 2, Lead Generation Toolkit. Create opt-in forms and capture emails from your sites. Bonus 3, Affiliate Monetization System. Easily add affiliate links, banners, and offers. Bonus 4, Keyword Research Tool. Find profitable keywords for content and reviews. Bonus 5, Conversion Optimization plugin. Increase sales without more traffic. Bonus 6, Email Marketing Basics training. Learn how to turn visitors into repeat buyers. Bonus 7, Traffic Fundamentals course. Safe, beginner-friendly traffic strategies. Bonus 8, Page Builder templates. Pre-designed layouts you can import instantly. Bonus 9, Automation and support tools. Add chat and basic automation to your sites. And bonus 10, Beginner Affiliate Blueprint. A step-by-step roadmap from site setup to first commission. These bonuses are included free when you use the link below, and they're only available for a limited time. So here's the bottom line. If you want enterprise-level hosting or massive storage, Spark 2.0 is not for you. But if you want an affordable, beginner-friendly way to host unlimited sites, build pages, and stop paying monthly fees, Spark 2.0 is absolutely worth considering. The bonuses are limited, and once the launch period ends, pricing and access can change. If you're interested, click the link below now to secure Spark 2.0 and lock in the bonuses before they expire. Thanks for watching. If this video helped, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you have questions. To get Spark 2.0 with all bonuses, click the link in the description. After purchase, your bonuses will be delivered automatically inside the members area. I'll see you in the next review.